sentencing and penal policy is quite unique, I suppose, as a course in this country, because to the best of my knowledge, it is about the only course, or at least one of the very, very few courses on sentencing available in any university in the country. And this is quite significant because in the vast majority of criminal cases that come before the courts in this country, the accused person actually pleads guilty. But yet, in fact, in the academic world, we tend to place a lot of emphasis on substantive criminal law and criminal procedure, which are very important, but actually neither of those matters arises as a rule when the person pleads guilty. All that matters there is sentence, and obviously sentence is very important as well when a person is actually convicted following a trial. So sentencing in this country is largely discretionary, but that doesn't mean to say there isn't a lot of law and a lot of judicially developed principles in the area of sentencing. There's also, of course, a huge ongoing international debate which applies in virtually all common law countries as to whether judicial sentencing should be regulated by guidelines. So in this particular course, therefore, we look at all of these issues. We look at the basic reasons, the fundamental reasons why a person should be punished in the first place. Is it to deter? Is it to punish? Is it to rehabilitate? We look at the principles of sentencing that apply in Ireland, of which there is a good deal of law, incidentally. So we're looking at judgments of the Court of Criminal Appeal and the Supreme Court in particular on what the principles of sentencing are. And then we look at a number of other issues, like, for example, the question of whether we should have guidelines or whether we should adopt some other method to bring more structure into our sentencing system. And then we look, for example, at the role of the victim, which is quite important nowadays. What should the role of the victim be in the sentencing process? So that's just a flavour of the range of issues that we cover in sentencing and penal policy.